what the real meaning of the word Google is? It's just not a catchy name, but a playful twist on the word Google, which represents a huge, enormous, gigantic number 1 followed by 100 zeros, means 10 to the power 100. But how did this quirky mathematical term evolve into a brand that defines the internet today? It has become synonymous with the internet today. Welcome to Live Best Skilled. I'm your host Himani, and today we are unraveling the incredible journey of Google, a story of innovation, ambition, and digital transformation. It's 1998. Two PhD students, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, are at Stanford University trying to solve a big problem: how to organize the ever-growing amount of information on the web. They saw the internet as a chaotic mess on the data that needed structure and clarity. They wanted to create a search engine. They named this project Backrub because it analyzes the backlinks to rank web pages. So this project further evolves into Google, a name inspired by the term Google. This name reflected their ambitious goal to organize and make accessible the infinite amount of information on the web. What started as a simple research project rapidly grew into a revolutionary search engine that has changed the way the entire world lives today. In 2000, Google introduced AdWords, that now we call as Google Ads. This online advertising platform lets businesses create and display ads based on what people were searching for. This made ads more relevant and effective, helping Google grow and changing how businesses reach their audiences. Fast forward to 2004, Google's initial public offering, IPO, was a major success as they began selling shares to the public for the first time. But this was just the beginning. That year, they launched Gmail, offering an impressive 1 GB of free storage, which transformed the email experience with its user-friendly design. Then in 2006, Google made a strategic move by acquiring YouTube. This acquisition significantly broadened Google's influence and paved the way for its dominance in the online video industry. And in 2008, Google made a huge impact by launching Android, an open source mobile platform that quickly became the world's most popular operating system. It drove the smartphone revolution, changing how we use the technology. That same year, Google Maps was introduced, making navigation easy with detailed maps and real-time directions, and helping millions find their way effortlessly. By 2015, Google had become so influential that it needed a new structure, so it created Alphabet Inc., which allowed Google to concentrate on its main business while Alphabet explored the new ventures. Under Alphabet, projects like Waymo, the self-driving car initiative, and Calico, focused on extending human lifespan, started to grow. With its power, Google also faced challenges like privacy concerns, regulatory issues, legal standards, and many. However, Google has worked very well to address these challenges. Google's another great achievements include Google Fiber Broadband Internet Service and Project Loon to provide internet access to remote areas using a network of high-altitude balloons filled with helium gas, which aim to connect people with who don't have the internet access. Today, Google is way more than a search engine. It's a beacon of innovation with advances in AI, cloud computing, and quantum technology. Google is not just shaping the future, it's defining it. Looking ahead, Google is setting ambitious goals like operating on 24/7 carbon-free energy. The company continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, driving progress in technology and sustainability. Sundar Pichai, the CEO of both Google and Alphabet, has played a crucial role in guiding these innovations and steering the company's direction. For more on Sundar Pichai and his impact on Google and Alphabet, check out our previous episode on Live Best Skilled. And that wraps up our deep dive into the remarkable journey of Google, from a simple idea to a global titan. Google's story is a testament to vision and innovation. I hope you enjoyed exploring this story today. Thanks for tuning into Live Best Skilled. If you enjoyed this episode, hit that subscribe button, leave us a review, like and share it with your friends. Until next time, take care, keep dreaming big and striving for excellence. May God bless you.